Croeso I dydd Mawrth, falle taw bore, falle taw prynhawn. It might be the morning or it might be the afternoon. Well, on Transforming Tuesday, neu dydd Mawrth, beth ni'n mynd I wneud yw rhif 8 ar yr ochr. We're going to do a number 8 on its side, or the infinity sign. So it's, as we've all heard of Buzz Lightyear, we're going to go to infinity and beyond. So, now then, this is a really good exercise for using the left and the right side in your brain. Now, we have got two sides to our brain, and the left part of our brain and the right part of our brain control different things. So the left part of our brain controls the right side of our body. So I'm using the left part of my brain now. And then the right part of my brain controls the left side of my body. And when I'm doing this, I'm using my left and my right hands. I'm using both sides of my brain. Now then, scientists have found that perhaps we use our left brain when we're doing a bit of maths or reading or writing or problem solving. And then they say that we're using our right side of our brain if we're being quite creative and dramatic. So, but we're going to do something today that gets our left and our right side to work together. So first of all, we're going to work this body up. So you might want to shake it a little bit. So we'll shake our arms nice. Look, my wrists are nice and loose. We can shake it, shaking the arms. We can shake it up. We can shake it down. We can shake it to the left. We can shake it to the right, in front, behind. Now then, we're going to start shaking our legs to wake it up and shaking the other leg to wake it up. Oh, Mrs. Kenny's having a wobble here, but it doesn't matter. And we're shaking, 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 and back down by our side. Now then, so we were using both sides of our brain there because we were shaking both sides of our body. So now we're going to concentrate on making our shape of number 8, which is on the side, or the infinity. So here we go. So we're going to just push it away, pile it up, push it away, pile it up, push it away, pile it up. And as you can see, Mrs. Kenny's got very bouncy knees, as we call it. So we're pushing away and we're not putting any pressure on our knees. So we're breathing in and breathing out quite naturally, in through the nose and out through either the nose or the mouth. Now then, let's take we're going to bring our infinity down to the ground, and that's okay. We can slow it down and you can see we're passing our weight from one side to the other. Now we're going to bring it up in front of us, and you can follow your hands, which is quite nice. Now then, we can bring it to the side. And again, make sure your knees are nice and bouncy. And we bring it back to the beginning. To the other side. Remember to breathe in and out. Don't hold that breath. In and out. And now then, let's just come back the center. So let's take our hands up, have a nice big body stretch. You can look up if you want to, thumbs back, little pinkies forward, and round with the arms. Breathing out, hands back to the chest. Namaste. Hwyl fawr am y tro.